CSS Grid or Flexbox. If you've ever been confused about which one to use, you're in the right place. First, let's understand the key difference between them. Flexbox is one-dimensional, meaning it lays out items in a row, horizontal, or a column, vertical. Grid is two-dimensional, meaning it can control both rows and columns at the same time. Think of Flexbox like a row of items inside a navbar, while Grid is more like a spreadsheet with rows and columns. Display Flex turns the container into a Flexbox. Justify content, space between, places space between items. Align items center, centers items vertically only if a height is set. Items within the container will be arranged horizontally in a single row. Now let's look into Grid. Display Grid turns the container into a CSS grid. Grid template columns, repeat creates 3 equal columns. Grid template rows, repeat defines 2 rows, each 100 px tall. Gap, 10 px, adds spacing between grid items. Grid is perfect for layouts where you need full control over both rows and columns, like dashboards, galleries, or complex page layouts.